Yeah, so number 3, you can do this no matter if you own a home, if you rent a home, as long as you have a roof over your head, you can take advantage of this to make passive income. What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 20 of the Bag Talk Show. Today, we're going to give you 6 easy ways that you can make passive income. Because let's be honest, bro, we all love to get emails just like this, where you're chilling, relaxing, and then you get an email where it's like, yo, I just made $1,000 today.
That's a fact.
Right? So let's get into passive income. What is the first way that you can make passive income?
All right, the first way to get passive income is to invest in real estate. But before y'all click off, I don't mean actively invest in real estate. There's a bunch of passive ways to invest in real estate. For example, you can invest in a Fundrise. And what Fundrise is it's the largest real estate crowdfunding platform. And by crowdfunding, we mean that you and a bunch of other investors pool your money together, and Fundrise goes out and purchases high-end properties. We're talking about the highest quality properties, things that you probably can't afford by yourself. But all of a sudden, you get exposure to it through things like Fundrise. So when that property goes up in value, so does your investment into Fundrise. And you can get into Fundrise for as little as $10, y'all.
That's a fact.
As little as 10, right? And then they pay you dividends on a quarterly basis. And that's your passive income right there. And that reminds me of REITs, to be honest.
Yeah, so REITs is very similar, right? Now, what that stands for is Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, the way to buy a REIT is really through the stock market. So essentially, you purchase a REIT, which is really a company that's buying land in different sectors of the market. So hospitals, warehouses, malls, it doesn't really matter. But when that company buys that land, they get checks, right? Now, all the revenue they're collecting, they are actually required by law to pay you at least 90% of that as dividends. So just because you own that REIT, you are actually owning a piece of that property, but you're also getting paid dividends in exchange. So you're really making passive income, as in like, yo, you own a home, you collect a check because you're renting it out. The same concept goes for Fundrise. So you can get involved in real estate without actually having to buy $10,000 or $20,000 worth of real estate. It's pretty dope.
Now, for real. And like, if you do want to know how to actively, get into real estate, please check out our Rookie Monday videos, because we're covering that right now. But we kept talking about dividends, and I just want to make it clear, like, for people who don't want to get into real estate in any type of fashion, but you love the concept of getting dividends, look into like dividend companies on the stock market. Or if you don't know which company to pick, invest in an ETF. An ETF, right? It's a fund that holds a bunch of different companies. And there's an ETF called VIG that holds a bunch of different dividend companies. So you're getting exposure to all types of companies that pay dividends, and you get paid a dividend to hold VIG.
Exactly. So no matter what, all you're really doing is taking the money that you keep in your savings account and investing into the market, and that money is working for you to make you more money by you just chilling. So that is number 1. Number 2 is crypto staking. So we know that a lot of people are skeptical about crypto, which we understand, but if you do own crypto, if you are skeptical about it, this is a great reason why you should get involved and use crypto staking. So you want to explain what that is?
Yeah, crypto staking. So all you're doing is you're locking up your crypto that you hold, and you're receiving interest on that amount that you locked up. So it's not always the best method to just own crypto and then you're waiting for the market to go up and down, and it's fluctuating, and you're like, dang, am I rich or am I not rich? You could literally just tell, because you can do this on Coinbase, by the way. Coinbase, Binance, you hold your crypto on there, crypto like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and others. You hold it for a certain amount of time, and in that time period, they're paying you interest.
Yep.
Just for holding that crypto. So you're getting rewarded for that.
Exactly. And literally, just like a bank, like when you lend money to a bank, they take that money and exchange it in terms of interest. You can do the same thing with your crypto. So no matter what, you own the crypto. Yes, you're making money when it goes up, but you could also make interest on it, which is pretty dope.
That's a fact. So I want to really get into number 3, bro, because number 3 is actually my favorite one personally.
Yeah, so number 3, you can do this no matter if you own a home, if you rent a home, as long as you have a roof over your head, you can take advantage of this to make passive income. Now, what this is really called Peerspace. So it's essentially just a platform that you can list your home for, or if you rent a home, you do have to get approval from your landlord to make sure you can list it. But once you get that approval, you take your property and list it on this platform, and then other people around you can basically take that property, sign up, pay you to use it to host events like a party, like any type of party, a bachelor party, bachelorette party, a homecoming, doesn't matter, just gatherings. And they pay you literally $100 an hour, $50 an hour, it doesn't matter. So you make passive income by just chilling in your home because you don't even have to leave. It's not like an Airbnb where you actually have to get out your property. No, you could stay in your home. You're just actually renting out a piece of it. And that's the beauty behind it. You can do this, as I said, if you own the home or if you are renting, all you have to do is ask for permission from your landlord.
Yeah, and that, I look at Peerspace and I'm like, man, I'm comparing that to Airbnb. And I prefer Peerspace to something like that because Airbnb is risky, bro. Like, you could rent your house out to somebody over the weekend. You come back, your house is trashed. They did a whole bunch of, listen, with Peerspace, it's so much better because you get to stay in the house while they're there. They rent it out for a couple hours, 1, 2, 3 hours, however long you tell them to be there.
Yep.
And then you could watch them the whole time.
Yeah.
And then they just leave. And it doesn't have to be a party either. It could be as little as 1, 2 people. You're going to tell them what the space is being rented for.
We just use it ourselves. You can literally book a studio to do a podcasting session, to do an interview, YouTube. It doesn't matter. It's just a space that you rent out. So that's a great point.
Yep.
Now, the other thing you could do if you own a car is car rental. So explain that to them.
Exactly. So I know a lot of people are working from home right now. Now, if you have a car that you're not using, if you're not really using it actively, or if you have a deal on a car that you see is undervalued, you can buy that car and start renting it out. Put your car on platforms like Turo or Hire a Car or even Facebook Marketplace. You could list your car on as well, by the way. But things like Turo and Hire a Car are very similar to Airbnb. It's just the Airbnb for cars. So how lit is that? You get to just, while you're not using your car, other people could use it, and you getting passive income like that. And for somebody that's so hands off that you could have a Dropbox where people just pick the keys up, drop the keys off. You don't even notice what's going on. You just getting notifications before you record an episode.
That's like, a fact. That's a
you made $1,000.
That's a fact. And shout out to Rashawn because obviously we partnered with him on this business, right? So we have a car rental business ourselves where we actually made, as you saw in the email earlier, money. But then we made $1,500 a month before, $1,500 a month before that as well, because essentially you get to actually tell someone, yo, you could pick up the car here, and they have to pick it up on time. If they drop it off late, you charge them a late fee. If it's not clean, you charge them a cleaning fee. If it's not filled with gas, the same gas you gave them, you charge them a gas fee. So you control your market, and the beauty behind it is, once again, if you own a car and you're not using it, might as well put it on that platform and make some passive income. And you can make, I'm not saying you're going to make $1,500 every time, but you can make $100, $200 just like that. That could pay off your car payment.
That's a fact. You could use that to pay off your insurance, your car payment, everything, right? And then I think there's another plug on that play, by the way. You could actually have other businesses being advertised on your car. Go to local businesses in your community and set up a deal where it's like, listen, I will advertise your business on one of the doors of my car. There's like 3 sides to a car as well. You can do this with 3 businesses. Say, listen, throw me $100 a month just to have it being driven around. So this is a car that you don't drive. You don't have to be embarrassed by it. You can have people that might be using your car for like Uber, and they might use your car for Uber Eats or whatever it is. And they're advertising these businesses from the community, and you're getting passive income from those businesses, and you're getting passive income from the person that's actually driving your car. So essentially, you're making money while having a car that you were going to pay money for anyways. So if you have a car, definitely check that out. And then the next tip is what? Affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing. I want you to get into that one, bro.
All right. So affiliate marketing, this is actually my favorite one personally. So it's very simple. Now, this is basically when you as an individual are getting a commission to essentially market someone else's company for them or their product. So what I mean by that is, you ever heard people be like, yo, sign up for my FanDuel link, sign up for my Robinhood link? It's very simple because essentially Robinhood is giving them a link, right? Because they're using their platform, and then they're saying, yo, if you spread this link to your friends and family, you will get $5, but they will also get $5. Now, Robinhood wins because they're getting more users. You as the individual win because you're getting free money, right? And then the person you're giving this link to, if they use it, they win because they also get free money. So everyone's winning in this case. And that's why affiliate marketing is such a dope idea. You could actually sign up for Amazon affiliate marketing program. So it's very simple in the sense that you literally sign up. It's completely free. And then when you sign up, anytime someone uses your link to go on Amazon and they pay anything, within whatever they buy for 24 hours, you actually get a cut of that. Which is, how many people use Amazon?
Everybody and their mama, bro.
Exactly. So just think about it. You can have your own link and then you make money off of it. Once again, not saying you're going to be a millionaire overnight, but yo, if you can make an extra $10 to $50 just like that in the month, why not?
And bro, listen, like we actually have an affiliate marketing link in our description right now where you can use our link to get Acorns. They give you $5 free, right, by using our link. And what is Acorns? We covered this before, but I like Acorns because you can actually give Acorns money. It's a robo-advisor, and that means that a robot is going to take your money and invest it all over the stock market and make amazing choices, right? This is computer programmed.
Yep.
And so they're going to take your money and make more money for you, and you have to do no work. All right, so definitely sign up using the link in our description right now.
And I know you guys are wondering, like, do you guys even do half the stuff you're saying? So, one, we already told you we do car rentals, yes. But look, this is another thing right here. I personally make $79 a month just because I signed up with Kartra, I used their platform, and then I took my link, worked with a client that I was having, and I said, yo, use this link. It's a great platform. They signed up, and I got a cut off of it. So that's a little amount that you make, and it adds up over time, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
Right? So that's one example right there. So the other one is digital courses and ebooks. We love this stuff, so talk about that.
Yeah, so we have a lot of skills, people. Please utilize your skills. If you have expertise in any field on any subject, you should create a course. Why let it go to waste, right? Why spend time working so hard to learn all this knowledge to not provide value to people? So you can set up a course on platforms like Skillshare or on Udemy. And I know that you actually did that at a point, did you not?
Yeah, so honestly, as I said, right, like everyone has a skill. So my skill was digital marketing. So what we did, well, shout out to Rashawn again, essentially we had our own company, we were doing digital marketing. We looked up a lot of stuff, we researched it, then we made a course on it, and then we posted that course on Udemy, and then we were like, yo, this course costs about, I think we charged like $25, something like that, and essentially people were buying this course, they were getting feedback, they were loving it, and we made money off of it every single month. So it was a passive income, because after we did the work once, right, you were good. So passive income is not like, yo, oh my God, I just sit back and relax. No, you got to do a little bit of work, but after that, it's pretty much like sit back and relax type of thing.
Yeah, that's what I love about it. Like you say, you did the work once, and we actually did this ourselves, right? We created a couple ebooks, which you have access to using the description, right?
Yep.
We have a stock market ebook that we provided, and we have a crypto ebook. But because we love the Bag Talk family so much, after hours and hours and days and days making them ebooks,
fights, arguments,
all of that, bro. Oh my gosh, man. We provided that, and we let y'all have it for free. For how much?
Wait, for what? For free?
For free, my boy. You already know. So y'all have access to that. Definitely download the stock marketing crypto ebooks in the description. There's so many free material. There's so much free material in the description, bro.
Yep.
Like, we got a budget template. Right? We got the stock market ebooks, crypto ebooks. Y'all, please take advantage.
That's a fact.
Acorns link.
That's a fact. That's another one.
Word.
Exactly. So obviously, we just listed 6 key things that you could do to get involved in passive income. So you guys should definitely check this out, because this was not a regular video like, yo, sit back, invest in dividends. No, we give you different ways and unique ways to get involved. So if you're still watching, thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that little notification bell, because we drop
2 videos a week,
and you don't want to miss them. All right, so we appreciate you. Thank you so much. And make sure you tune in on Rookie Mondays, because we're about to drop some heat on real estate.
Facts.
So check that out. But until then, peace.
Peace.